Today I'm making a savoury tuna kimchi pancake, and it's absolutely delicious. Let's get our ingredients ready. I'll talk you through the process as we go. It's super simple. The main ingredient is kimchi. You'll need 300 grams of well-fermented kimchi. Give it a quick chop, and honestly, just use scissors. It's so much more efficient. Next, take 2 spring onions and slice them up thinly. You can also use the green parts of leeks instead. Now add in 2 teaspoons of chilli powder. It gives the batter a fantastic colour and a really nice and subtle kick. Then add 1 cup of plain flour, about 125 grams, and pour in half a cup of water, around 125 millilitres. In a separate bowl, whisk up 3 eggs, then pour them into the mixture. Give everything a really good mix until it's nicely combined. Now for the tuna, add 1 tin. I'm using tuna in sunflower oil because it gives more flavour. Season with a pinch of black pepper. This part's optional, but I do recommend it. Mix everything together again until it's well combined. Next, add 100 grams of bean sprouts. Just fold them in gently so they stay nice and crisp. And that's your kimchi pancake batter, ready to go. Heat up a shallow pan. I love using a cast iron pan for this, as it gives a brilliant crust. Once it's hot, add about a tablespoon of cooking oil. Spoon some batter into the pan and spread it out slightly. Then shallow fry the pancake. Cook until both sides are beautifully golden brown and have a nice crisp edge. You'll notice it soaks up quite a bit of oil, so don't be shy, add a little more if needed. You can find kimchi almost everywhere these days. Just grab it at any Asian market or even on your local high street. It's a wonderful ingredient to have on hand. And there you go, your tuna kimchi pancake is done. Look at that, doesn't it look amazing? Do give this recipe a go this weekend. I really think you're going to love it. It's been such a long time since my last video. Hope you are all well. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye for now.